Hello guys, right now I'm in my way to check a older Maytag dryer. The complaint is that it's not spinning. The customer said that it is heating, but the drum is not spinning, and he thinks it's the belt. So we're going to find out what's going on with this dryer. I'm gonna come back in a minute and let you guys know on camera what that I found, and I'm gonna go ahead and be putting footage on the screen. Okay guys, I just went inside, I checked the dryer, and what I found is that the pulley that goes on the motor, it's broken. It looks like the thread stripped from the pulley and then it came off the motor. Now if you look this part and trying to get it on from the manufacturing, they don't make this part anymore, so you will need to basically buy it off the market on Amazon. So I look it up, it shows that it's either out of stock or it's been discontinued. However, I searched and I found a couple on Amazon where they sell only the pulley, because otherwise the manufacturing is basically obligating you to buy the whole motor. Now, this is an older dryer, and then if you buy the motor, you're gonna see that the motor is too expensive. So I believe this repair is not gonna be affordable to the customer. So my suggestion is go ahead and buy this motor pulley on Amazon, which is about $3-4, and this should get your dryer going. However, you need to clean the thread on the motor because pieces of the old pulley stay in there. So you need to get like a metal brush, clean the thread, because you don't want to damage the new pulley that goes on the motor tip. So like I said, go ahead and buy it on Amazon and replace only the pulley. Once you clean it, go ahead and put everything back together and you should get your dryer going. This is my opinions on how to repair this dryer affordable. If this is a DIY repair channel, I will suggest you to do these repairs professionally and affordable. All right guys, I just got out of this call. This older Maytag dryer not turning, and the customer decided to replace it. I mean, I give him a decent price to just replace the pulley, but you know, sometimes the customers, they already got in their mind, they already been shopping around, and then if the price that you give them is basically at least half of what they saw online, they just, you know, go ahead and go for a new one. However, if it's appliance repair guys that are watching this video, they're gonna probably agree with me. And then if you're a customer, this is some new information for you. If the technician said that the dryer is in good condition and the repair, it's affordable, I'm always gonna suggest to repair your appliance, especially if you got this appliance brand new at the time and you take good care of them, like you do the right maintenance to it and all that. I will suggest to repair it, because the new appliances, they don't make them like before. You know, I work in appliances, they still under warranty. They already call the manufacturing their part changers. They don't do any troubleshooting. So I end up fixing appliances, they still under warranty. What I'm trying to say with this is that the manufacturing give you 1 year warranty, and if I'm in a customer's house before that year, that means that appliance is still under warranty. But people are so frustrated to keep calling manufacturings, and they come out, they probably not going to charge you any service call fee or any repairs, but they not going to do it right. So a lot of times, us as a technician, we come up with solutions because these appliances come with manufacturing problems. So if you own appliance that you bought it new, okay, and it's 2, 3, 4 years old, that appliance must be better than the one you're gonna go and buy. So just keep that in mind, because like I said, they don't make the appliances like they used to. And if this video helped you, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, let me know what you think in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.